A glowing, smooth-skinned model or influencer smiling confidently. Want to achieve that flawless, post-wax glow without irritation? Say goodbye to redness, bumps, and ingrown hairs. This is the ultimate skincare routine for waxed skin. Your path to radiant, goddess-like skin. Glow like a goddess, the ultimate waxed skin routine. Essential post-wax skincare tips. Cool down immediately. Soothe the skin. Apply a cold compress or chilled aloe vera gel. Avoid touching the skin to prevent bacteria transfer. Use a soothing mist with chamomile or cucumber extract. Wear loose, breathable clothing to reduce friction. Say no to hot showers and saunas. Protect your pores. Open pores equals more susceptible to bacteria. Stick to lukewarm showers for the first 24 hours. Avoid steam rooms and hot tubs, they increase irritation. Use a gentle, fragrance-free body wash. Hydrate like a queen. Moisture equals glow. Apply fragrance-free, hydrating lotion immediately. Choose ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Drink plenty of water to support skin recovery. Exfoliation, but not yet. Wait 48 hours. Waxing removes dead skin, so over-exfoliation equals disaster. Wait at least 2 days before using scrubs or exfoliants. Choose gentle AHA or buy exfoliants after waiting. Exfoliating prevents ingrown hairs, but must be timed right. Ingrown hair prevention game changer. Use a salicylic acid or tea tree roll-based toner. Dry brushing 2 to 3 times a week keeps skin smooth. Avoid tight clothing to reduce friction. Keep skin moisturized to avoid buildup over hair follicles. Avoid fragrance products. Say no to irritation. Perfumed lotions can cause burning and redness. Stick to hypoallergenic, unscented skincare. Avoid alcohol-based toners, they strip skin moisture. Look for calming ingredients like oatmeal and aloe vera. SPF is your best friend. Protect that glow. Waxed skin is extra sensitive to UV damage. Apply broad-spectrum SPF 30+ daily. Reapply every 2 hours if exposed to sunlight. Hands off. Stop touching your skin. Bacteria from hands equals breakouts and irritation. Resist scratching or rubbing freshly waxed areas. Clean your phone screen, it touches your face. Ditch the razor. Avoid skin trauma. Shaving post-wax causes uneven regrowth. Let hair grow at least 2-3 weeks before the next session. Use a sugar scrub or enzyme exfoliator instead. Nighttime skincare boosts glow while you sleep. Apply a nourishing body oil before bed. Use a hydrating sleeping mask for waxed facial skin. Keep your pillowcases clean and silk-based. Gentle cleansing, no harsh scrubbing. Use pH-balanced cleansers with calming ingredients. Avoid scrubby loofahs or rough washcloths. Pat skin dry gently, don't rub. Ice therapy for redness, quick fix. Ice packs reduce redness, swelling, and irritation. Never apply ice directly, use a clean cloth. Follow with aloe vera gel for extra cooling. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more.